Hi guys, I'd like to introduce you to Wake Up, a capsule that is compatible with Nespresso system. In stainless steel, rechargeable, affordable and eco-friendly. Because of its unique characteristics, Wake Up represents a whole new way of drinking espresso in the comfort of your home. Have you ever thought about how much the coffee in disposable capsules costs? Up to €100 per kilo, for a product you don't even know the origin of. Thanks to Wake Up, your savings are huge. For the price of 10 disposable capsules, you can make up to 100 cups of espresso. Interesting, right? But there's more.
I'm going to talk to you about the capsule's environmental sustainability. In fact, Wake Up solves the problem of having to throw away disposable capsules, insofar as they're infinitely recyclable. The only waste product? The coffee grinds, which can be recycled in different ways, especially in the home, for example, as compost. Think it's a good idea? There's more.
I'm going to talk about the third advantage of Wake Up capsule, the return of choice. Wake Up capsules let you revive past traditions and apply them to the new technologies. In fact, the capsule works with any blend on the market, from the roaster down the street to the supermarket, from the organic food shop to your favorite coffee shop. Wake Up is also very practical. Our manual dispenser allows for quick loading, leaving no residue. It takes 30 seconds, just enough time for the machine to warm up. The manual dispenser can also be used as a carrying case, allowing to prepare the capsules comfortably at home and take them with you everywhere, for example, at office. Wake Up is the result of more than a year of meticulous planning and testing. The capsules are entirely made in Italy, and every single piece is checked by the expert hands of passionate professionals. The unique Fischer system allows for perfect extraction and delivery, enhancing taste, flavor, intensity and creaminess. In short, a real Italian espresso at home, brewed according to your taste, ecologically and cost-effectively. Three fundamental factors in perfect equilibrium, like the members of a jazz trio who are perfectly in tune. If you want to make this happen, please support this Kickstarter. We tried hard in other ways, but as you can see, with poor results.
Hey Kickstarter! Goat Story is back! This time we are going to kick your brewing experience from here to right about here. 2 years ago we brought you one-of-a-kind coffee mug, the Goat Mug. Thanks to you, we've fallen even deeper in love with coffee. And we discovered that manual technique in combination with technology produces by far the best results for coffee brewing. We combined all your favorite features from the tools you already know into a most complete device for coffee brewing. Meet Gina.
Gina, the first smart coffee instrument, connects with an app and lets you follow the brewing guide or create your own. With the built-in smart scale, you'll find the perfect ratio between coffee, water, and time. And by tuning the valve, you'll set the right drop flow for your brewing method. Play with Gina and discover 3 different coffee techniques. Explore immersion for a richer body. enjoy classic pour-over for the purest taste. Or cool down with cold drip flavor. Gina is designed to be on display. Built of high-end materials, carefully selected and made to last. Now imagine yourself brewing and discovering all shades and tastes a coffee bean has to offer. With Gina, you can also save your creation and share it with the whole community. Coffee brewing can truly be a special experience every single time with every single cup.
Coffee lovers, we need you to bring Gina alive. Support us and let her impress you.
The world of specialty coffee is evolving. With a newfound appreciation for where coffee comes from, how it's grown, and ultimately, how it tastes. Specialty coffee drinkers strive to extract the bean's full flavor potential in every cup they brew. But coffee grinders have yet to evolve to make it easy to achieve a consistent grind. That's why we set out to develop a precision coffee grinder for a seamless grinding experience. Meet HandGround, an entirely new class of coffee grinder, featuring a locking top and borosilicate glass catcher, 20 preset courses levels, fit for any method of brewing, a side-mounted handle for better ergonomics, and a ceramic burr mill with a triple-mounted stainless steel axle for a consistent grind every time.
One of the biggest frustrations that I have with hand grinders right now is
that you're paying more for portability than you are consistency.
It's hard to hold, the grind is inconsistent.
The grind consistency in it is very poor.
Poor grind quality?
It also doesn't grind consistently.
The coarse grind is so all over the place, it's not consistent, which leads to over extraction and just overall an inconsistent cup of coffee.
Sometimes complete disassembly of my entire grinder just to change the grind setting of it can be kind of a hassle.
And to adjust that on one of these can be a bit fiddly.
And this grinder only has one setting.
There's just nothing good out there.
So we turn to coffee lovers around the world and asked for their help to conceptualize a coffee grinder for the third wave. After hundreds of designs, prototypes, and improvements, we're ready to share a precision coffee grinder created specifically for specialty coffee drinkers.
Inspired by the lens of high-performance cameras, we designed an innovative method of coarseness adjustment that will let you quickly focus on the perfect grind setting. Whether you're grinding for espresso, cold brew, or anything in between, you will have a perfect grind every time.
HandGround is more than just a good coffee grinder.
To me, HandGround means community.
It means portable,
will be modern,
easy to load.
The idea of having something that more easily adjusts the grind setting is a really good step forward.
It will give us something that a coffee particle size that's consistent for us to keep producing a consistent cup of coffee.
Something I can use and take anywhere.
Anywhere!
So HandGround is fun, it's personal, and it's quality.
Whether or not we have electricity doesn't matter. We're always going to have good coffee on the road.
Following the contributions of people from 92 countries, we've successfully completed an initial prototype to prove our concept.
Last week we completed our first round of factory tours and have selected the manufacturers that are fully capable of building this product.
So thank you to everyone who has been a part of Team HandGround. This project truly would not have been possible without your help. Join us by choosing one of the backer levels below, and together we can end the dark age of grinding. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Fontier, an industrial designer and the founder of Pact. I'm excited to introduce our second product, a first-of-its-kind coffee-making kit designed for people that are serious about their travel gear as well as their coffee. We've all stayed places where the coffee setup was less than ideal. Sometimes there's no coffee at all, and you have to venture to the lobby or wander the city looking for it way before you're ready to face the world. There are a lot of great options for making coffee when you're camping using a gas stove. Until now, though, there hasn't been a complete kit designed for hotel-style travel that you could fly with. So, we decided to create one.
The Pact Coffee Kit is the first pour-over kit designed for travel that includes an electric kettle. It's compact, durable, and airline carry-on friendly. It's also built to last. Multiple design innovations make our kit extremely packable and portable. From a source for hot water, to a container for your beans, to a travel mug, we covered everything. As long as you have access to water and electricity, you can make barista-quality coffee anywhere you go. Like nesting Russian dolls, each component of our kit fits inside the next larger one. This means you can pack it in your luggage without having to worry about denting or crushing any of the components, and setup is easy. In less than a minute, you're unpacked and ready to brew. A unique spout and handleless design work together to give you maximum control and the smooth, slow stream you need for a perfect pour-over. We used premium materials throughout to ensure your coffee's flavor isn't affected by any plastic or cheap materials, and that your kit lasts a long time. The kit also meets Pact's commitment to responsible sourcing and production.
We've obsessed over every detail of this kit, and now we can't wait to put it into the hands of coffee-loving travelers around the world. You might remember us from our previous campaign for the Pact One, which helped launch our company. We're excited to bring our second product to life with the support of this awesome crowdfunding community. All right, I gotta get back to work. Let's go, buddy.